KCI Group of companies has long been at the forefront of transforming Indian agriculture by introducing world-class mechanization to the farming community. Its innovations have significantly reduced physical labor, saved valuable time and improved the accuracy of critical farming operations. Over the years, KCI has played a pivotal role in raising agricultural standards and easing the challenges farmers have faced for generations. With a strong legacy of 30 years, KCI Group manufactures more than 150 types of agricultural tools. Under its umbrella operate two powerful entities, Varsha Shinere and Syfero. Varsha Shinere is India's second largest manufacturer of power weeders, brush cutters and self-propelled agricultural machines. Cyphro, aerial intelligence for a greener tomorrow. Cyphro, an agri-tech startup founded in 2023 by young entrepreneurs Rishi Vasant and Arvind, represents the new era of innovation within the KCI Group. In a short span, Syfero has emerged as one of India's leading manufacturers of agricultural and defense drones and drone components, powered by a young, energetic and creative team. Drones today are revolutionary, not just in modern farming, but also in national security and surveillance. Syfro's agricultural drones help farmers monitor crop health, detect early pest and nutrient issues, and perform precision spraying with reduced chemical usage and enhanced safety. In addition, Syfro's expertise in drone technology contributes to strengthening India's defense capabilities by supporting advanced border surveillance. Syfro aims to expand its presence across multiple domains. Its R&D team is constantly ready to innovate and develop drone components based on emerging industry requirements, delivering these solutions at economical prices while maintaining international quality standards. Syfro is the pioneer in offering warranty on all its drone components. It is also proud to have introduced India's first DGCA-certified 20-litre agricultural drone, with 2 more products in the pipeline awaiting certification. The company's core strength lies in delivering scalable, reliable and economically viable drones and components. With high-quality outputs and a strong nationwide service network, Syfero is a fast-growing startup making a significant mark in the drone manufacturing sector. Today, Syfero stands tall as a top manufacturer of drone accessories and more. Built on strong financial stability, total quality management principles and a diverse product portfolio and a highly experienced R&D team, Syfero continues to earn the trust of farmers and industry partners through transparent business practices and a customer-first approach. Why choose Syfero? Syfero is recognized for 100% made in India drone components, wide and robust distribution network, strong and growing market presence, international grade product standards, customer-centric philosophy, competitive and accessible pricing. Syfero's product portfolio: 1. Propulsion system, rotor with ESC. 2. LiPo batteries, 22,000 mAh, 6S and 14S soft pack. 30,000 mAh, 6S, 12S and 14S soft pack. 3. 2480 propeller. 4. 3011 propeller. 5. 3411 propeller. 6. Arm folding joint. 7. arm folding joint holder cap. 8. Fixed seat. 9. Nozzle holder for pressure nozzle and Y-type nozzle. 10. Aluminium landing gear. With its strong legacy, innovative mindset and unwavering commitment to quality, Cyphro continues to empower farmers with dependable, modern and affordable drone-based agricultural solutions, while simultaneously supporting the evolving needs of the defense sector. By blending advanced mechanization with cutting-edge drone technology, Syfero is transforming farming efficiency and strengthening national security. Syfero remains steadfast in its mission, supporting farmers and defense, strengthening agriculture and national security, and building a better tomorrow. Cyphro, aerial intelligence for a greener tomorrow. Codicia Industrial Park Limited, plot number 54, Mopperipalayam, Vagarayam Palayam, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Website www.cyphero.in.